Hello mis amigas and welcome back. I am going to do another video for you guys, and this video I will be sharing you guys how I am going to clean my dirty filthy refrigerator. So over here behind me is my refrigerator, and I'm going to share with you guys how I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and see all the food, take it all out and wipe it down because it needs it really bad. So glad you guys made it today, and I cannot wait to share how my refrigerator is going to look like. Okay, mis amigas, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what it looks like inside. It's a mess. It's really unorganized. Basically what we're doing is just putting stuff inside, and they're not really organized. So I don't know about you guys, but I need to work on a plan on cleaning my refrigerator often. To be honest, it's been over like a month or even more that I haven't even cleaned my refrigerator. So here it is. I opened it up and toda la comida is right here, as you guys can see. So it's a huge mess. I feel like everything's all piled up, like this container right here. My daughter's Capri Suns, they need to go somewhere else. And I don't know if you guys can see, but these little, what are these called? Storage things. I need to go take this stuff out and wipe it down with a rag, because let me show you guys what it looks like. So right here in there, it's dirty. So I'm gonna take everything out and actually check like their expiration dates as well, because you know, sometimes I have things here that they're expired. So I'm gonna be doing that right now. I did went ahead and take off the food that's on the doors right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just clean that up first, and then I'm gonna go inside further. So I'm gonna be using un trapo, and I'm gonna be using vinegar mixed with water. All I'm gonna do is just spray it inside, just like that. So I took out everything out from the refrigerator, and this is what it's looking at. So empty, except for right here, these 3 drawers on the bottom. But I'm gonna share with you guys how it looks like. So you guys can see all of this stuff needs to get cleaned up, and there's like a bunch of basurita right here and there, and the glass is looking a little bit dirty. And down here, the very back, there's like dry food. It's just crazy and dirty. Like it just needs this super nice clean, but it doesn't even seem like it. But trust me, once you start taking everything out of the refrigerator, you start seeing all the goods, all the dirtiness, and it's just really gross. Okay, mis amigas, so when I was doing this, taking all of my food out of my refrigerator, I don't know about you guys, but me pasa siempre a mí, pero siempre hay comida que no sirve, so esa la tengo que tirar ya a la basura. And believe it or not, like saqué un montón de cosas que ya estaban expired y que ya no longer me servían. So as I was pulling everything out, I was like, oh my goodness, ¿qué es lo que está pasando? So I am working on that, mis amigas. I don't know about you guys, pero a veces me pasa a mí que compro de más comida when it's not even necessary at all. But I am working on that because it's not okay to be wasting food. Me duele when I waste food, and I just don't like it at all. But I am working on that, mis amigas. I don't know about you guys, but in our family, there's only a family of 3. It's my husband and my daughter and myself, and that's all that we spend money on ourselves. But sometimes, we get carried away. We go to a lonche, and then we start buying more food that we don't even need. So yeah, well, not that we don't need it, but we just buy more of. So I am working on that this year. That's one of my goals, like literally to buy food that I'm just gonna eat. I know that I'm going to eat rather than just wasting it, or simply making simple dishes of the food that is almost expiring. So tell me, mis amigas, how many people are in your family? I want to know. Okay, so I really want to know, mis amigas, so when do you guys usually clean your refrigerator? Is it every day, every week, every other day, every month, or when do you guys have a chance to clean your refrigerator? Because do not be like me. Yo lo dejé pasar como hasta un mes, mis amigas, and thankfully it wasn't that dirty, pero sí lo necesitaba. There was a lot of like basuritas everywhere, and like just reorganizing and simply starting fresh is always so amazing. It's such a great feeling right when you clean something and se te queda bien limpiecito y luego ya bien organizado, rather than just being everything everywhere all over the place and unorganized, because I cannot do that. I need to have everything simply as we all can function, because once we start having everything misplaced and everything, stress and overwhelming starts piling up, and it's not a good feeling. So tell me, mis amigas, when do you guys clean your refrigerator? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so this year has been one of my goals to live intentionally. So not only in my household in general, but just with the food, like I was saying, and just to make sure that everything that I do buy is for intention. So for example, like the food, I'm going to buy, let's see, tomatoes, and I'm going to use all of them. I'm not gonna leave them behind, and that's gonna be my intention living, just because I felt that last year, I don't know si les pasa a ustedes, pero gastaba tanto dinero and like it was just been thrown away. And let's be honest, like sometimes that does happen, and it happens to me because we are human, and sometimes things get carried away. But now 2023 has another mindset, and by doing this, mis amigas, cleaning the refrigerator is not only bringing me joy, but it is seriously bringing me like happiness and a stress reliever. And just like I just simply feel like less stressed opening my refrigerator, knowing the fact that everything that's in my refrigerator is for a good cause and I'm going to use it. So I don't know about you guys, mis amigas, but that's like one of my goals that I want to accomplish this year, not only for myself but for my family, because I need to set a very better example for them. Amigas, so I just got done wiping the outside of the refrigerator, both doors and then the bottom one as well, and it's looking so much better. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I still have the plastic on this refrigerator, and we just don't want to take it off just because we want to take good care of it. And if it scratches, you know, it'll just scratch the plastic rather than the actual refrigerator. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be starting putting this stuff back together, back on the refrigerator. So what I had on the refrigerator was this little pumpkin right here that my daughter made, and I've been keeping this little pumpkin for such a long time, and it's always been in my refrigerator. So I'm going to put that back. And I have this little star. It's actually my daughter's. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just put it back put it back there. And then we also have this magnet. It's the real life fairy tale, the Shrek. It's like Shrek and Fiona, they're at the beach. And it has this little heart. It's super, super cute. We're obsessed with Shrek, so we have to have this on the refrigerator. And I'm gonna put my daughter's little list here on ways that she can earn some. Okay, mis amigas, so we're coming down to the end of this video, and hopefully this motivates you to clean your house, just anything around your household, because if everything's clean and neat around the household, I feel like I function better. I don't know about you guys, but this is why I make these videos, to motivate not only myself, but to motivate others as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other videos you would like for me to film and share with you guys, because I am enjoying this, you guys, and thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you're here to stay for long. So that's it, mis amigas. I really hope, again, I can enjoy this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video for someone that really needs the motivation to clean, and that will mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys next time on another video. Bye, mis amigas.